Tired of those pesky late fees and wondering how to pay your Walmart Rewards Mastercard online in Canada with ease? Let's dive in. First, ensure you have your Walmart Rewards Mastercard handy and access to a computer or mobile device with internet to start. Go to the official Canadian Tire Bank website. That's the financial institution behind the card. The direct link is in the description below for easy access. Once on the website, locate the Sign In or My Account section. It's usually in the top right corner. Enter your user ID and password. If you haven't registered yet, you'll need to click on the Register or Enroll link and create an account using your card details. After logging in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Look for the Make a Payment, Pay Bill, or similarly worded button. Click on this to begin the payment process. Now, you'll see different payment options. Generally, you can pay directly from your Canadian bank account. Select Add Bank Account or Link Bank Account. You will need your banking institution name, branch number, institution number, and account number. Then, enter the amount you wish to pay. You can choose to pay the minimum amount due, the full balance, or a custom amount based on your budget. Canadian Tire Bank uses robust security measures to protect your financial information. Look for the padlock icon in your browser's address bar, indicating a secure connection. They might also use two-factor authentication, sending a code to your phone to verify your identity, adding an extra layer of protection. Review all the payment details carefully, including the amount and the bank account you're paying from. If everything looks correct, click on Submit, Confirm, or Pay Now. You'll usually get a confirmation message on screen and possibly via email. Keep this confirmation for your records. And that's it. You've successfully paid your Walmart Rewards Mastercard online. Remember to pay before the due date to avoid late fees and maintain a good credit standing. Happy spending responsibly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips.